Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve question number 4. You have to name the quadrilateral whose diagonal are first bisect each other, second are perpendicular bisector of each other, and third are equal. Let's solve question number part first. You have to name the quadrilateral whose diagonal bisects each other. We know that the first quadrilateral whose diagonal bisect each other is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is the first quadrilateral whose diagonal bisect each other. Means this and this is of equal length. Same case with this and this. DO and OB must be equal, and AO and OC must be equal. We can prove this by proving these two triangles congruent, AOD and triangle OBC. If you can prove these two triangles as congruent, then this side must be equal to this side and this side must be equal to this side. For that, we know that parallelogram has two opposite equal sides, and angle this must be equal to this, because this and this is parallel and this is a transversal. So this alternate angles must be equal. Same case with this. So by angle side angle property, these two triangles are congruent, and by CPCT, this must be equal to this and this must be equal to this. The other quadrilateral which bisects whose diagonal bisect each other are rhombus, then a rectangle, then a square. All these quadrilaterals diagonal bisect each other. Similarly, as we have proved in this, we can prove in all these quadrilaterals that these diagonal bisect each other. In second part, you have to prove all the perpendicular bisector of each other. The first quadrilateral whose diagonal bisect them perpendicularly is a rhombus. This and this, first of all, must be 90, means this diagonal must be perpendicular to this, and they also bisect each other, means the value of AO must be equals to OC. This value must be equals to this, and this must be equals to this. To prove that, we can again prove these two triangles as congruent triangle. For that, this value is equals to this, because rhombus has equal sides, all equal sides. This side is perpendicular, and we know that this line is equals to this line. And if these two triangles are congruent, this angle plus this angle must be equal. If this angle is x, this angle must be x, and we know that on a straight line, the value of all the angle must be 180 degree. So the value of x must be 90. So these diagonal bisects perpendicularly. The second figure or the second quadrilateral whose diagonal bisect each other at right angle is a square. Again, you can prove this by same logic. In third case, you have to prove or you have to name a quadrilateral whose diagonal are equal, and the first is a rectangle, and second is a square. First is a rectangle, and second is a square. To prove that these diagonals are equal, you have to again prove two triangles congruent. You can prove ABC and ADB triangle congruent. This angle is equal to this angle, this is common and this side is equal to this side. So by side angle side, these two triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ABC. So AC must be equal to DB by CBC. Same case with this, you can again prove these two diagonals equal by proving these two triangles as congruent. Thank you.